Manipur government has set up integrated anti-extortion cell which will operate 24 hours under the Home Department. The anti-extortion cell has launched toll-free number 1800-202-3326 for the public and other government officials to report any threats or extortion attempts. In an order issued yesterday, Chief Secretary informed that the anti-extortion cell comprised of representatives from the State Police, Central Armed Police Force, CAPF, and Assam Rifles and Army. The order further mentioned that reports have indicated that various individuals, including government officials, have been threatened with severe consequences via calls, messages, or letters from unlawful organizations if extortion demands are not met. It also appealed to any individuals, including government officials, to report any threat or extortion calls to the mentioned toll-free number, and also appealed to the public to support the initiative to combat these unlawful activities.